Hello guys, it's David from Trade Support Group. Hope everybody's doing absolutely fantastic. So we're going to just recap our first week with you guys, showing you one new strategy a day. Holiday week, so we only had 4 days. You can see here we have Monday strategy, the RSI with a moving average of 200. Tuesday strategy, Bollinger Bands on a 50 setting with a regular stochastic. Thursdays, which was the CCI and ATR together. And we have Fridays as well with 3 moving averages of a time period of 5, 8, and 13. Let's go ahead and start with our first that started off the week, the RSI and the moving average 200. We're going to take a look at gold. All right, guys, so take a look at what kind of market we're in. You can see the moving average right here, 200 days. This is typically a good way to understand what type of market you're in. Essentially, you see gold on a 15-minute chart. It's well above the 200-day moving average, meaning we're in a bullish market. So, ideally, in a bullish market, what are you looking to do? You're looking to buy low. So, in order to do this, you understand you're in a bullish market, you're on a trend. Find a good entry point to buy low. And the way you do this, essentially with the RSI, whenever you get an indication of it being, of the instrument being oversold, look what happens next. Prime example, oversold, we have a movement up. Oversold here, big movement up. Now ideally, you're going to want to wait until you see a bit more of an indication on the oversell here, but nonetheless, these are oversold and we do get the response that we are looking for right after. Look at this hourly chart with gold. Prime example, just a couple of weeks ago nearly, we had a great buy signal here on gold at around 1470, 1473 or so. With it being oversold here, still above the moving average, we do expect it to really have to go through a lot in order to break through the moving average, but instead it bounces from 1473 up to where we are today, which is 1510. Huge profit taking opportunities if you're following this strategy. Let's move over to strategy number 2.